Hi everyone. In today's video, we are going to talk about something that can change your life for the better, passive income. We all know that money can bring us comfort and security, but what if you could make money even while you sleep? This is what passive income is all about. Passive income is a type of income that continues to flow in even after you stop actively working for it. It's like having a part-time job that pays you 24/7. Now, you might be thinking that generating passive income is a pipe dream, but let me tell you, it's not. There are several ways to generate passive income easily and effectively. One of the most popular ways to generate passive income is through real estate. You can purchase a rental property and earn regular rent payments from tenants. This can be a great source of passive income, as long as you have the right management and a solid plan in place. To research about real estate investment opportunities in India, you can follow these steps. 1. Start by visiting websites such as 99 Acres, Magic Bricks, and Prop Tiger to search for rental properties in your desired location. 2. Look at the average rent prices and the demand for properties in the area. You can also compare prices with nearby locations to get a better understanding of the market. 3. Read online reviews and testimonials from previous property owners and tenants to get a better understanding of the quality of the properties and the management company. 4. Make sure to research the local real estate laws, tax regulations, and zoning laws to avoid any legal issues in the future. 5. Get in touch with a trusted real estate agent who can guide you through the process of buying a rental property and managing it. 6. Consider seeking professional advice from financial advisors, accountants, and lawyers to make sure your investment is secure and profitable. Another way to generate passive income is by investing in dividend stocks. Dividend stocks pay you a portion of their profits in the form of dividends, even when the stock is not performing well. This can provide a steady stream of passive income over time. Some of the high dividend and trusted stocks are TCS, HDFC, HDFC Bank, ITC, and Reliance Industries. Investing in mutual funds and index funds can also provide passive income, as these investments pay dividends on a regular basis. Other very important way of generating passive income is algo trading. Algo trading eliminates the emotions and biases that often affect human traders in stock market, making it a popular method for generating passive income. By using mathematical models and historical market data, algorithmic trading systems can identify and execute trades in stock market that are likely to be profitable. The algorithms can also adapt to changing market conditions and execute trades at lightning-fast speeds, taking advantage of short-term price movements. For those of you who have a knack for writing or photography, you can also generate passive income by selling your work on stock photo websites, such as Shutterstock or iStock. Another way to generate passive income is through affiliate marketing, where you promote products or services of other companies and earn a commission for every sale you generate. Here's an example of how affiliate marketing works. Imagine that you run a blog or a YouTube channel focused on fashion and beauty. You could sign up for an affiliate program for a company that sells makeup, clothing, or other related products. Once you're accepted into the program, you'll receive a unique link or code that you can use to promote the company's products. Every time someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you'll earn a commission on the sale. The amount of the commission can vary depending on the company, but typically ranges from 5% to 20% of the total sale. The best part is, you don't have to do any of the selling yourself, the company takes care of that, so you can just sit back and collect your commission. There are many companies that offer affiliate programs, such as Amazon, Sephora, and Target. You can sign up for multiple programs and promote different products to increase your income potential. So, these are just a few examples of how you can generate passive income easily. The key is to find something that you enjoy and have expertise in, and turn it into a passive income stream. Let's end our video with a famous quote by John Lee Dumas: "Passive income is the key to financial freedom." It gives you the ability to live life on your terms and not be tied down to a job or a boss. Thanks for watching.